Did you know that health and social care services in Oldham are changing? The needs of our population have changed since the NHS and social care were established 70 years ago. Back then, patients were usually treated for one condition at a time. The focus was on providing care to people for each problem they had, rather than building a relationship with their care provider. These days though, we're living longer. But sometimes that means people are living with multiple long-term health conditions. So, we need to make sure that people are as healthy and as active as possible. People need a different kind of support, and that support has to help us to enjoy a longer life and live independently for as long as possible. Ultimately, we want an Oldham where people, families and communities can thrive. So what are we doing about it? Well, first of all, we're working hard to make sure our town is the best it can be. We're working to make sure essentials such as housing, education, transport and employment all work well for you. And we're changing the way health and social care works to make it the best it can be. We're doing this by bringing our health and social care organisations together under one banner, Oldham Cares. Under Oldham Cares, all health and social care services and providers are working together. They're sharing skills, experience, talent and resources. That will help deliver a better care experience that meets your needs. And by working together, we'll aim to create a system where you'll only have to tell us once about your health needs. That means no longer having to tell your life story every time you need support. By working cooperatively and taking better care of ourselves and those around us, we'll all be able to receive high quality, joined up health and care, both now and in the future. So how are we going to do this? We'll do this through developing integrated models of support and care, which will be put in place to make sure that the people of Oldham have greater control of their lives. We'll provide support and care that's as close to your homes and communities as possible. We'll ensure that when you need treatment, it's consistent and centred around your needs and the needs of your community, making sure care's available when you need it. Oldham Cares maximises the role that health and social care plays in the health and well-being of local people. We'll continue to focus on those services that are essential to prevention and early intervention. Your health and care services will work hard to avoid you needing admission to hospital. And, if you do need inpatient care, we'll ensure you don't have to stay any longer than necessary.